Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that my shirt is wet and everything, but basically in today's video it's just gonna be me recording me and my sisters having a girls night out. You know, we're gonna be going out to dinner. It's kind of like a weekend thing, maybe. I'm not really sure, but all I know is that we're gonna be taking some bomb pictures for Instagram, and my base needs to eat. So first things first, like I need to shave my face. My eyebrows are kind of grown out. They're like, if you see the hair in my face, grown out. So the last time I shaved it was like, at least like about a month ago. So we're gonna shave our face. And then we need to do our hair. My hair is just in a bun. And then we also need to do our nails. So yeah, let's just get into it. Damn, I look so ashy. Oh my god. But yeah, since my face is now completely dry, we're just gonna shave our eyebrows and our face. I'm deciding if I want to start on my eyebrows or on my face. Let's check how she's melting and what she looks like. Beautiful. Of course, she's not done melting, guys. This is kind of what the hair is gonna look like. It's gonna look. It's gonna look something like this. But period, she looks good. She looks good. Side part, like it's really growing on me. Like I used to hate side parts. But period. Next thing we're gonna do is our nails. You guys, my skin is literally glowing, but I put on the nails. These colors aren't something that I would usually choose, but with the outfit it will eat. But I just gotta pack up my makeup and stuff because me and my sisters are planning to get ready together. So I have to pack up my makeup and my outfit, and then I'll basically see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hello. Really?
I'm just gonna unplug it. Like the buttons, yeah, come see, they're not even moving. Like it's the same. Nothing is. I think I'll just unplug it. Cause it is cold air. Like,
yeah.
Like I don't know, and it's the same number, like 37.
Okay, you guys. So we're finally in the hotel now. It was just like a situation. We had to change room and everything, but now I'm just gonna lock in and get ready because I cannot multitask whatsoever. So yeah, I put my shirt on already because it's a turtleneck and it'll just mess up my face. I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly. And also there's like a snowstorm right now, so you don't even know where we're gonna go eat anymore. It was really bad, but I guess it stopped. Say that it stopped.
Yeah, it says it's no more.
Yeah, but it's like really cold. It's like -30. And I've been looking choked. We're back now. We're back. Welcome to another YouTube video. It's a Big Bros, Big G, and Big A. You know how it be? GTA. Furious. That's your initials. Wait, no. Wait. TGL. They don't call me Big Stepper. They call me TGL. Big Puppy. Why? What? Where did you get Big Stepper from?
I don't know. I forgot. I genuinely forgot. But I know I saw it as a reference somewhere. And it's just, you know, it's been me ever since. It's been me ever since. Oh, wait. There's a blow dry right here. What am I doing? Listen to it. Look at this swoop.
Crispy clean. What?
Why did you say Krispy Kreme on it? I don't know.
Crispy Queen.
Oh.
Crispy.
Okay.
I said Crispy Queen.
Anyways, so we're gonna straighten the hair after, but we're gonna get ready now.
But basically, everything is kind of resolved now since the storm is calmed down or whatever. Guys, are we still going to go to Frankie's?
Outrace. Fucking bitch.
We're gonna have a good time. It's the last day of school. Grace finished her last exam today.
You just wait. Are you just wait?
Grace, stop. Okay, but I just really need to lock in and finish my makeup because like I cannot multitask. Like I just need to finish everything and then I'll like, well, not everything, but like have a majority of my base done and I'll be right back. It doesn't look chopped because it looks chopped. I'm gonna actually be so sad.
Remember the camera's there. Touch it with the camera.
I know. Jesus, I don't want to be like. I'm not gonna say it.
Oh,
I have to cut it out now. Watch what you say, or else y'all are gonna get canceled.
Do you think she watches your videos?
She doesn't even know about it. It's only YouTube guys that know about it. Nobody at school knows about it. So know about it when I go viral.
you know what I wish? I wish I never actually shared that YouTube video to my story because now I don't want to post any there anymore.
What?
I will never tell nobody that. If you find it, you find it. But people that know about it is just you guys. I don't plan on telling anybody ever.
I don't play by the rules. Ooh, I smell cucumber.
Really, you're funny. Looking promising. Hey, squad kid.
Everybody can have a peek over on it.
I know. My time will come though.
Yeah, like 5 years. He doesn't know she's
Grace, face cards tea though.
I'm dead ass about us going to Calgary maybe the summertime.
Okay, what do I need to do next? I need to think.
Or bounce, finally.
What do I need
Guys,
to
you
do
did the
next?
brows.
I think I gotta do some my face. No, yeah, some my face.
I love these cross earrings actually.
Right?
I just
This spring is so far away. Is it touching your face?
see that. What the fuck? See that looking?
Oh, I was like,
What?
what?
Like, how the fuck is she seeing?
Look at it. It's not even good to your face.
Sam, yeah, spit that shit directly on, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
I drenched it.
It's 6 inches, not freaking 6
No, because this one doesn't spray good. Okay, so I need to do this one next. Yes, I need to do this one.
Just be a good girl.
Right? Obey her husband and shit. Can never be me.
Bro, be my husband.
What do I need to do? I need to.
I'm saying that, but I know I can't.
I don't think I would ever.
Cause
want him.
I know my husband's gonna be tall and he's gonna be fit.
And he's gonna be.
So literally,
muscular.
biologically, I have no chance.
My favorite part. We're gonna
like,
set our
being
face.
delusional.
This is Grace. What's your favorite part about setting your makeup? Doing your makeup. I think mine is setting it.
Yeah, setting it and like just brightening. But also, what the like?
I think my eyebrows. I enjoy doing my eyebrows, but I just hate when it doesn't turn out the way I like.
No, when it takes too long after people are doing it, that's why I hate it. I think I like concealer, blending concealer too.
Yeah, I like that stuff too. And adding blush.
Just watching it all come together.
Yeah,
oh
like-
my god. Bro, you could. Bro, again and again this lifetime I'd be a girl.
Every single
No,
time.
again and again this lifetime I'd be me.
Amen.
Me.
Amen. Say it louder for the people in
Clark
the
it.
back.
I pick Clark.
Okay, so I think we're finally getting somewhere. We're almost done. I just gotta really just finish up with my eyes and then do my lips. But I'm happy because like it's almost done. How are you guys feeling? Happy? Especially when your makeup doesn't turn out the way you want to. It just ruins my day. Oh my gosh, Grace, like, you know, on your birthday with the yellow, just I hated my makeup so bad. I had to delete all the pictures.
That's extreme, right?
Well, obviously not all of them, but like.
Does it look okay?
I said I'm
Or
making
should I
a
rip my
few-
eyebrows?
I
Should I rip my
rip the
eyeballs?
sheets
You
off.
say something.
Huh?
Or should I rip my eyeballs out?
Why should?
So I don't see it. So I don't see it, man.
Let me see.
Okay, so since I finished my makeup and I already have my shirt on, I don't need to really put anything over my head. So I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way and done with. Oh, this has been like kind of killing my ears, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, the mouth. Oh, guys. I will be right back. Okay, so the one thing that was missing was my foundation. I need to put foundation up in here. But the melt is good.
You know, maybe I'll just show my boots and not show my feet.
Guys,
I'm not into this, but I always have to think about my life before I.
That's why I don't think that wine I didn't get the juice.
Let me try it. Can I try it?
Yeah. It's literally juice. You don't like it? Do you fart? Mm-hmm. What is wrong with you? You know, there's someone at work that there's a Asian that always farts. Grace, I always have the spray near me. I like to every time I smell it. It's so bad. It's annoying. Are you gonna do that later?
period.
Are we into
Yeah, I'm coming. Guys, so we're almost done. We're getting ready to go. But do you see the maroon theme? Oh my gosh, I just gotta put on my jacket and
Why is your face like that?
oh my gosh. But yeah, my jacket. I forget to take it off, but yeah.
So we have to change that
Greasy cheese
here manually.
with the
So that means the
maroon.
electrical in case that damage or we can
We're
replace
eating now. Wait, let me put the camera around. But yes, guys.
Wait, I'm gonna use 2016 flight.
Are you gonna get me in there a little bit?
Yeah.
Get my ass in there.
It's gonna get copyrighted.
Huh?
It's gonna get copyrighted.
Jeez, Annette, is that fake or real?
Okay, guys. So right now we're still taking pictures. Guys, say hi. Period. The pictures are eating, but we honestly just decided to not go out. Yeah, we just decided to not go out. If I'm being honest.
Oh my god.
Guys, I'm trying to be comfortable, but we just decided to not go out, so we're just staying inside for tonight, and we're just gonna stop at McDonald's when these queens are dropping me off, and I'll be back here tomorrow. Period. Clock that tea. Yeah, but I'm gonna be back here tomorrow, so yeah, that's basically the update. But we look bomb as fuck though, guys. One day we need to go out in this outfit.
Yeah, we could have went today. Yeah, you know we can go to let's see.
Y'all can go in this outfit. I can't though. Y'all can use my jacket if y'all want. Grace, do you want to use my jacket?
Yeah, leave.
I'm leaving it in here, but that's the update. I'm gonna record later, guys. But bye for now.
Thank you, Grace.
Of course.
My
girl.
turn, guys.
We gotta bless each other. That's just the
That's
way
what I'm
it is.
saying. We got each other. Bye for now, guys. My makeup turned out pretty good. Like the eyeliner and shit. Like.
Yeah, Annette, your turn. Wish you're done, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we're right now at McDonald's. We're just gonna get some food, and then they're gonna drop me off. And I might come to them tomorrow at their hotel, but yeah, that's basically it. There's really nothing else. But the pictures are gonna, I'm gonna make sure to link my Instagram down below. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally home now. Like, I'm so hungry and tired at the same time. Like, I wish I could sleep and eat at the same time, but I cut my nails. They're like super short now. And then I'm gonna also eat my McDonald's. And then I'm gonna go to sleep. Excuse me. But I'm gonna watch a movie probably and then go to sleep. But and also, like, with the snow and everything, like, traffic has just been so slow, so we just decided to stay home or whatever. But yeah, until next time, guys, bye.